Hello, welcome to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to edit photos using Snapchat. And before that, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and let's start it. First of all, we go to the Snapchat application here, click, and after that you can click here and click the camera roll. Choose the one of your photos and you can click the symbol of edit in the corner. You can edit about, you can to include the type here, or you can click to edit of the emojis. You also can include the gift here. To adjust the size and that you want, you can cut outline object, finger to list, make a sticker, and etc. This is a tutorial how to edit photos using Snapchat. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.